Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to Blissful Broadcast, your go-to channel for health and wellness tips. Today, we've got an important topic for those of us navigating the golden years. We'll be discussing the 10 foods you should avoid after the age of 50 to improve your health. First on our list is everyone's favorite guilty pleasure soda. The high sugar content in sodas can wreak havoc on your blood sugar levels and overall well-being. Opt for water, herbal teas, or sparkling water as refreshing alternatives. Next up, fast food. While convenient, these meals often pack unhealthy amounts of trans fats, salt, and calories. Consider home-cooked meals or healthier takeout options that focus on lean proteins and veggies. Processed meats, such as sausages and hot dogs, are high in sodium and preservatives. These can contribute to heart-related issues. Instead, choose lean, unprocessed meats or plant-based alternatives for protein. White bread may be a staple, but it can lead to spikes in blood sugar levels. Opt for whole grain or multigrain bread for a healthier option that provides essential nutrients and fiber. Surprisingly, low-fat items can be loaded with hidden sugars and additives. Focus on natural fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil for a balanced and healthy diet. Grain-fed red meat can be high in saturated fats. Choose grass-fed or pasture-raised options, which tend to have a better omega-3 to omega-6 fatty acid ratio. Watch out for dairy products with added sugars. Opt for plain or unsweetened alternatives, such as Greek yogurt or almond milk, to reduce unnecessary sugar intake. Fried foods, while delicious, can lead to inflammation and other health issues. Try baking, grilling, or steaming your foods for a healthier cooking method. Excessive salt intake can contribute to high blood pressure. Be mindful of your sodium consumption by choosing fresh, whole foods and using herbs and spices for flavor. Lastly, it's essential to emphasize variety in your diet. Ensure you're getting a mix of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins to meet your nutritional needs. And there you have it, 10 foods to avoid after the age of 50 for a healthier and more fulfilling life. Remember, making small changes to your diet can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Until next time, stay blessed and blissful. As we wrap up, let's ponder upon a verse from 1 Corinthians 6:19-20 NIV. Do you not know that your bodies are temples of the Holy Spirit who is in you, whom you have received from God? You are not your own, you were bought at a price. Therefore, honor God with your bodies. This verse serves as a reminder that our bodies are precious and we should respect and take care of them. One way of doing this is by making healthier food choices. So let's honor our bodies, our temples, by nourishing them, right? If this was helpful to you today, please subscribe and like our content. We appreciate you. Thank you. Until our next video, stay blessed and blissful.